go outside again. Just tell her to go outside.
She's not gonna do it.
Watch. I got it recorded.
Go get the ring. Go get the ring. Go get the ring. Go get that ring. Go get the ring.
Look at you looking. Are you stupid or something? I'm not going out there. Why you get the dog cheese? Why you get the little dog cheese?
The whole dog cheese. What the
Why you get the little dog cheese? You know dogs can't eat cheese.
Yeah, they have cheese and stuff for dogs.
What is?
Wanna
go outside? You wanna go outside? Come on. I'll go out with you. Come on. I'm coming.
This ain't stupid.
I'm gonna go out with you.
I play with my dog.
Oh my goodness. Oh, now look at you. You're just looking at me stupid now. Look at that. You're looking at me stupid. Hi. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Excuse me, Victoria.
Sorry, Daddy. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I won't need you to go out there anymore. I'm sorry. Hey, close the door. Why do you have the chance? Close the door. Close the door.
Huh?
Close the door. She pee on your rug again. In your bathroom. Yeah, don't look at me. I'm not helping you.